Happy Wednesday, friends. Look at this. Look at this happening right here. Right here. There we go. Look at all this happening. Happy Wednesday, friends. I want to come to you this morning and wow. So if you haven't seen this today, doTERRA is offering when you buy an Adaptiv Touch calming blend, you get a 5 milliliter of Kumquat for free. You may be like, what in the world? Here's what I want to show with you. So in the mornings, my miracle morning routine is I do my 5-minute journal app. Anybody do have like a miracle morning routine that helps you set your day off? Yes. The Adaptiv Touch is part of that routine. It helps me get my mind straight, and it's such a calming blend, and I love the oils that are in here. So, but let me show you this really quickly so you can see. I'm going to give a little tutorial for you about these two, this blend and then this citrus. But yes, today is this BOGO, day 3. When you buy the Adaptiv Touch, you get the Kumquat for free. I think there's a limit of 3 per account. And it ends up being a little over $26 for non-members and $20 for members. Now, if you're seeing this tutorial and you don't have access to my tutorial sheet for you, I've made everything super easy for you. Just go to go.3lifeessentials.com/BOGO week. Actually, I'll just type that in here for you. It's go.3lifeessentials.com/BOGO week. There we go. Can you see that right there? So go to that link if you're finding this video in another place, and you can see all the content. If you're seeing this past Wednesday, I'm sorry, but this is only good for today. So, but yes, so let's dive into these, because this is one of your best ways to start out your morning is with these two oils. And you may have never heard of Kumquat before, so I'm going to introduce you to Kumquat if you are unfamiliar with it. So let's dive in here for just a minute about your Adaptiv Touch. How many of you, this was like your oil in 2020? This, in our family, this blend became known as the oil of 2020. And if you're not familiar with it, you'll see quickly why. It has plants in here. So it's in a base of coconut oil, which makes it super easy and convenient. It doesn't take rocket science to see. You're going to apply this topically. Let me show this to you here. You're going to apply it topically to those pulse points. This has oils and plants like lavender, wild orange. Oh, just breathing that in here. Lavender, wild orange, copaiba, spearmint, magnolia, rosemary, and sweet gum resin. Oh, and neroli. So it has some oils in there that are the chemical components are very calming to your central nervous system, helping you be able to adapt to the stressors around you. But then also it has several plants in here like rosemary and spearmint that are very alerting to the mind and keep your mental sharpness. So if you've ever used something to kind of help with some anxious feelings or stressors, and it makes you feel kind of blah, just kind of flat affect, this is where your Adaptiv Touch comes in, and actually the whole Adaptiv system, because this also comes with some capsules that you can take as well that have GABA in them. So that's what I want you to do today is when you grab your Adaptiv Touch, and then your Kumquat is going to come in free, I want you to tack on the Adaptiv capsules too, because those will give your body the 1-2 punch it needs to be able to manage those stressors around you. Yes. Now, let me show you some graphics here. Let me pull up my Adaptiv Touch here. Now, the aroma with the Adaptiv, this blend here, it's so calming and just very centering and relieving here. Oh, I forgot I'm not showing this to you. Here, let me see. There we go. So when you're using this, especially on your pulse points, it will, as it enters your bloodstream, you're going to be feeling a calmness, a feeling of safety, reassurance. And this is great if you want to layer this with your frankincense or your lavender. It's a great combination. But you can see here some ways to use your Adaptiv. I even like to sometimes wear it as my daily perfume. You can roll it on, you can roll it in your hair, and it will be a natural diffuser throughout the day as you move your hair. And so I love that this can also go with me on the go. So this is our oil on travel days. If you are going on a road trip, this is one that you're going to need with you. If you are in a stressful situation in the office, or in your homeschooling area, this is the oil you want to have it. And I love that it's convenient and it's ready. Kids don't have to guess at how to use it. They just open it and it's ready to go for kids too. So I love that. Now let's talk about this free oil. How many of you have ever even heard of kumquat? How many of you love the kumquat citrus? Do you like eating it? Do you like kumquat? I like actually eating kumquats. And we've talked many times on here before about how our bodies love variety. So if you already love having one of your citrus oils in your water every morning, maybe you love your lemon or your grapefruit, but our bodies love variety. And each plant God has created with different chemical constituents that have different health benefits. So it is good for your body to change up the citrus that you add into your water occasionally. Maybe this one is not wanting to come out. Let me see. This bottle is almost empty. I'm so glad I'm going to get this for free today. But wait till you hear about some of the benefits of this plant here, because it's very unique. Okay, it's very unique, very different from your other citrus oils. So let's dive in and getting to know our kumquat that you're going to get for free today. Let me pull it up here. Yes, so just like your other citrus fruits, it's going to be very energizing when you smell it. It's going to be uplifting. It's very sweet smelling. And I've even listed here, if you go again to that website that I gave you guys a minute ago, let me see where it is here. Let me scroll down here. Here it is. If you go back to that website here, you'll see the different ways that you can use kumquat, and you can even grab this Sunny Day diffuser blend that I have for you. But this oil is very unique because it's actually it's indigenous to Asia, and the fruit is actually the size, if you've never had one, it's the size of a large olive, and it can be eaten with the peel on. And if you've ever eaten it before, the peel is, it's very sweet, and the flesh is sour. And so the peel has a lot, which is where the essential oil is coming from, has a lot of cleansing properties, and it's filled with limonene, which is the main chemical component in lemon, your lime, wild orange, other citrus essential oils. And because of that, they share some of the same features and benefits and can be used interchangeably. But what's interesting is the kumquat, it has a lot of health benefits that are unique. So it is photosensitive. So if you're gonna use it topically, use it where you're not going to be exposed to the sun. So use it where the sun doesn't shine. But that only applies to topical use. So it doesn't apply if you're going to diffuse it or if you're going to drink it in your water. But it's interesting how it interacts with your human cells. It actually strengthens the cells when they come into contact with certain bacteria strains, especially resistant ones. So hear me when I say that. It actually helps the body trigger a response to strengthen the cells and make them more resilient when exposed to those. And it's been shown to show great effectiveness with Candida, which is becoming a problem for a lot of people. Raise your hand if you've ever dealt with or suspect that you might have Candida, which is overgrowth of yeast in the body. Those of you guys who follow me, you know that I just got my mercury fillings removed last month. Mercury fillings actually also exacerbate and make a problem like Candida or yeast overgrowth happen very often. So, yes, so those of you who embrace the essential oil lifestyle, this oil can be used in reducing and eliminating the Candida overgrowth in your digestive tract. It's very high in antioxidants. It's not quite close to clove, which has the highest antioxidants of any living plant on earth, but it's still very high. So you're going to love having your kumquat in your arsenal this week. Yes, yes. So I want to ask you this. Who do you know that could benefit from some stressors, from eliminating some stressors or helping their body manage these stressors in healthier ways? Who do you know that you can share this with? And I made it super easy for you. You guys, again, if you go to that go.3lifeessentials.com/BOGO week, you'll see that I have made this super easy for you. Let me see if I can move it here so you guys can see. You'll see here at the top of that webpage, you'll see at the top, they'll have an option, and over on the end, on the far right, it'll say new to doTERRA, and all they have to do is click on that link, and it will let them check out. Okay. Now it is going to link them to us. So if you don't want them to link that to you, if you want them to link that to you, then you need to make a referral or send them the link yourself. But this makes it easier for them to see exactly what they can get, and then just tell them when they're ready to check out to reach out to you. If you are a wellness advocate and you're helping that person. So, but this is a great time for them to get started, because either they can get the item today. If they scroll back over to the Wednesday tab, you'll see here a section where if they are new to doTERRA, they can actually get this tagged on with an enrollment, a membership as well. You'll see at the bottom, new customers, click here. So I've made it super simple for you. I'll actually put this video tutorial in there as well, so that they can have access to that, and you can have access to that. If you have any questions about how to BOGO, how to check out, any of that information, you'll just go to the tab at the top that says BOGO buying tips, and I have step-by-step there for you, super easy. But if you have any questions, just text me. I'm going to give you my number here. It's 832-509-5093. You can see that there on the screen as well. Text me, text the word oils, so I know what you're wanting to talk about. I'll be there to answer you. And I hope that you have a great time BOGOing today. Remember, this is over at the end of today at 11:59 Mountain. And I'll be back to join you tomorrow for what day will it be? Day 4 of BOGOs. And we'll be going all the way through Saturday. So see you guys later. Bye.